In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to launch your own NFT collection without having any prior experience or knowledge about networks, wallets, gas fees, or all of that. Make sure to have your artwork ready. You can use any type of media, videos, music, images, but in this tutorial we will use images. Head over to thirdweb.com to start. Click on Let's Get Started, and the first thing that we need to do is connect our wallet. But wait, what is a wallet? A wallet is like your bank account. And just like your bank account number, your wallet has an account number, also called a wallet address. And just like your bank account, which holds money, your wallet can hold currencies such as cryptocurrency. And your wallet can also hold NFTs. Now, in order to use wallets, you're gonna have to sign up and create a wallet with any provider, such as MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. To use the wallet inside your browser, you're gonna need a browser extension. A browser extension is like an app that you can install inside your browser. So a popular wallet is MetaMask. If you just Google MetaMask browser extension, you'll be able to find the right app that you install inside your browser. I'm gonna go ahead and click Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask. MetaMask will pop up and ask me to log in. Now, I've already used Thirdweb, so after connecting my wallet, Thirdweb guides me immediately to my dashboard. But if this is your first time, you'll be asked to pick a network. So here comes the next thing, what are networks? So NFTs are created on the blockchain, but there are different types of blockchain out there. Just like cloud, you have Google Cloud and Apple Cloud. In the world of blockchain, it's the same. The two most popular blockchains for NFTs are Ethereum and Polygon. While Ethereum is more popular, we're gonna choose Polygon in our tutorial. Don't worry, we're not missing out, and I'll explain in a bit why Polygon is a smart choice. A quick side note, if you come to the bottom left in the corner, you can switch between networks. So if you wanna go and pick Ethereum, go ahead and click Ethereum. Your wallet will pop up, click switch network, and Thirdweb will be switched to the Ethereum network, and you can create projects and NFTs on the main net using Thirdweb. I'm gonna go ahead and switch back to Polygon because we're gonna do this in Polygon. So before I create my first project, I first want to quickly talk about funds. We need to add some funds in our wallet, but why? Well, to create NFTs on the blockchain, we need to pay gas fees. Gas is like petrol in a car. A car doesn't drive without having petrol, so you need to pay for that. And the blockchain operates similar. In order to create transactions on the blockchain, you need computing power. And in order to get computing power, you need to pay gas fees. If you're confused and it sounds too technical, don't worry about it. What you need to know for every blockchain is that you need to pay gas fees in order to create transactions, and that's why we need funds. Now we know why we need funds. The next question is, how do we get them? Well, simply put, you buy them, and funds are cryptocurrency. And you get cryptocurrency on crypto trading platforms. Coinbase is an example of a crypto trading platform. For Polygon, we're gonna need Matic. I bought mine at Coinbase and then transferred it to my MetaMask wallet. If you're new at this, I would advise to create an account at Coinbase, buy cryptocurrency on the crypto trading platform. You can use a Coinbase wallet to connect with Thirdweb. Another reason why we chose Polygon. The gas fees are much cheaper than on Ethereum. Now you might think Ethereum is much more popular, so I want to create my NFT on the Ethereum chain. But the important point is that you sell your NFT on popular platforms, not necessarily the most popular chain. As long as the platform, such as OpenSea, supports your chain, like Polygon, then you're good. Also, your wallet is connected to multiple chains. You can switch between networks. Remember when we switched between Ethereum and Polygon? So as long as your wallet holds the NFT, you're good. It's not like you can create an NFT on any chain. Polygon is a good choice. Now that we've set up our wallet, we have the funds, it's time to create our project and mint our first NFT. I'm gonna head over here and create a new project, and I'm gonna call the project Razas Shapes. Create. Okay, you see your MetaMask or your wallet popping up and asking you to confirm a transaction. So what are projects? I won't bore you with the complex tech stuff, but this is what is important. Projects are smart contracts. Smart contracts are a set of instructions. We tell the smart contract what we want to do and what the rules are, and then the smart contract executes it. Stay with me. A smart contract is basically like a real contract. It has conditions, rules, rewards, all that stuff. If it's still confusing, don't worry. I will show you what it looks like and then it will become clear. For now, go ahead and click on confirm. Next up, let's add our module. A module is also a smart contract, but we'll get into that. Click on NFT collections because we want to mint NFTs. I will give it a name, Neon Shapes. You can give it any name you want. And over here, we have our first rule, royalty. So here I'll explain what a smart contract does with a tangible example. So what are royalties? Let's say the smart contract has a royalty of 10%. And using this smart contract, I will create NFTs. Let's say I sell my NFT to person A for $100. Person A gets the NFT, I get $100. Let's say person A sells the NFT to person B for $100. Then person B gets the NFT from person A. So person A gets $90, I get $10. If a next transaction happens between person B and person C, I again get 10% of that transaction. And that happens basically forever. So this is one of the rules that we can give to our smart contract, and it will execute on the blockchain on every transaction regarding the NFTs linked to this smart contract. So I'm gonna go ahead and deploy this smart contract. Again, if this sounds confusing, don't worry too much about it. A lot of these things will become more clear once you work more and more with smart contract. Click on confirm and this will deploy the smart contract. Remember, every time we create a transaction on the blockchain, we are using computing power of the blockchain and we have to pay a little bit of gas fees. This doesn't only apply to creating the NFT, but also creating smart contracts and deploying smart contracts. Awesome, our smart contract is deployed on the blockchain and now we actually see the power of a module. Over here you see I can manage permissions. So what I can do here is add wallet addresses to different roles. So I can make someone an admin or a minter. Now this is the power of Thirdweb's modules. In this tutorial I will not go into detail and I will leave the permissions as they are. Go ahead and confirm configuration. It's time to mint our first NFT. Click on mint first NFT. I'm gonna give mine a name, call it first shape. Select my piece of art and I'm gonna leave the description and properties empty. But you can go ahead and fill them out if you want. Mint NFT. For this, obviously, I'm gonna have to pay gas fees again, confirm, and this might take a while, but this is how we mint our NFT. That's how simple it is. And that's it. Our NFT is minted. Now here's the cool part. I can list this NFT wherever I want. So if I head over to OpenSea, I can actually see this NFT in my wallet. This might take a while before you see the NFT. Over here you can see that it's actually minted. Let's pause for a minute and talk about the benefits of minting via Thirdweb versus OpenSea. Remember smart contracts? The NFT is always bound by the rules of the smart contract it's minted on. You might own the NFT, but if you mint your NFT on a platform like OpenSea, you don't own the smart contract. So if OpenSea goes down or condition changes of the smart contract, that creates a problem for the NFT owners. Here's the beauty if you mint an NFT yourself. Whether that's with Thirdweb or directly, you can list that NFT for sale wherever you want. And you own the smart contract, full control. Now a quick disclaimer, Thirdweb makes money by taking a small portion of the royalty that you set inside a smart contract. Meaning, Thirdweb only makes money if you make money. So if I go right now to OpenSea, I can see over here, my NFT is in my portfolio. And I can actually list this NFT for sale on OpenSea. Go ahead and click on sell, list the price, complete the listing by clicking unlock. Remember, whenever we create a transaction on the blockchain, we have to pay gas fees. Go ahead and click confirm. Once it's done, you need to sign it with your wallet. And once that's done, you have listed your first NFT. Congratulations. Now that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We didn't use Python, but don't worry, we will in the next video. We'll create a marketplace and then list NFTs in your own marketplace for sale in your own coins. Now go and code some Python and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.